listen carefully, read slowly, and learn English naturally. Today's story is about something inside you, something that decides your future. What if I tell you, your biggest problem is not outside? It lives inside you. Inside every person there are two sides. One side pushes you forward, the other pulls you back. This is the story of a young farmer named Ravi. Ravi was strong and healthy, but more than that, he had big dreams. He often told people, "One day I will become the most successful farmer in this village. My fields will be full, and everyone will respect me." The villagers smiled. They liked his confidence, but slowly they began to notice something. Ravi loved to talk about success, but he did not like to work for it. Every morning, while other farmers were already in their fields, Ravi was still in bed. When the sun became hot and others worked hard, Ravi sat under a tree, looking at the sky, dreaming about his future. Whenever someone told him, "Start working today," he always replied, "I will begin tomorrow." But that tomorrow never arrived. One evening his grandfather came to visit him. The old man looked at Ravi's land. The soil was rich, the place was perfect, but the field was empty. He asked gently, "Ravi, why have you not started?" Ravi smiled and said, "Don't worry, Grandpa. I will begin tomorrow. You will see." The old man said nothing. Instead, he took out 2 small seeds from his pocket. He placed them in Ravi's hand and said, "These are special seeds. One is the seed of dreams. If you care for it every day, it will grow and bring success. The other is the seed of delay. It grows without effort, but it fills your life with problems." Then he looked at Ravi and said, "Your future depends on which one you grow." Ravi nodded. He thought, "Of course, I will grow the good one." But the next morning he felt lazy again. "I will start tomorrow." Days passed, then weeks passed. Without thinking much, he planted both seeds, and again he ignored them. After some time, he finally went to his field, and he was shocked. The seed of delay had spread everywhere. Weeds covered the land. They grew fast and took all the space, and the seed of dreams, it was still there, small, weak, almost gone. At that moment, his grandfather came. He stood beside him and said, "This is your life. Dreams need your time, your effort, every single day. But delay, it grows on its own. And one day, it takes everything from you." Ravi stood silent. For the first time, he truly understood. That night he could not sleep. He thought about all his wasted time, all the tomorrows he never used. He said to himself, "If I don't change now, I will lose my future." The next morning, before sunrise, he woke up, not to dream, but to work. He went to his field. He started removing the weeds. It was difficult. His hands hurt. His body felt tired. But he continued. Day after day, he worked. He took care of the small plant. He gave it time, attention, and effort. Slowly, the small plant became stronger, then bigger, then healthier. Months passed, and one day his field was full, green, beautiful, and alive. It gave food. It gave success. It changed his life. Ravi was no longer the man who said tomorrow. He became the man who acts today. My friend, inside you, there are also two seeds. One is ambition, one is laziness. Ambition grows only when you take action, but laziness grows by itself. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start today, because your future depends on what you do now. Do you believe this is true? Stay with us and learn English with more beautiful stories.